I'm not going to.
Huh?
Oh, what's happening?
Oh, that's happening. Well, how do you know they're not? How do you know they're not going out here? Well, no, because that wouldn't make sense. Naya, I wish you could tell me, because I'd interrogate.
What are you doing, Beecher?
I'd be like, "Are you opening the gate? Are you opening?"
What are you doing, Beach?
Thing?
What are you doing?
I got licked. That was her response. Did you guys eat your green beans? Yeah.
What?
I put in some green beans.
You gonna go to bed?
But then I never told them they were there because I just wanted to see if they'd.
Beecher. Beecher, go to bed. No. Go to bed. You go to bed. Go to bed. Go to bed. No, not over there. Come on, go to bed. Go upstairs. Come on. Go upstairs. Let's go to bed. Come on. He's funny.
He is funny. He back talks, huh?
Uh-huh.
Go to bed.
How about you, Naya? What do you think? Naya. 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 Get you. Get you.
Well, that was why when you said the wind had done that. I was like, the wind did not do that. Oh shit, you scared her. She doesn't know what that is. But I did all these. Oh shit, Michaela never put these back. She rented these movies from Hastings, never put them back.
When?
I don't know, last weekend?
Great.
Call her.
Yeah, you call her.
Michaela, you rented these movies from Hastings, and you never took them back.
Naya. Naya.